Let's start. The project name is Radio Button. Let's see the project structure. Here, we have the main activity. And in the UI, we have activity_main.xml, which is the UI of main activity. Let's see the UI. These are the two radio buttons, A and B. Let's see the code. Here, we have constraint layout as the root layout. This is the radio button A. And this is the radio button B. Let's see the Java code now. These are the imports. This is the main activity, which extends app_compat activity. Also, the main activity implements the onClick listener, which has a function called onClick, that we will see later. These are the two radio buttons. In onCreate function, we have set the onClick listeners of both the radio buttons. Now, in the onClick function, we first check which radio button is clicked by the user, and then show the toast accordingly. Let's run the app. As you can see, when I click the radio button A, the toast shows A clicked. And, when I click radio button B, the toast shows B clicked. But still, we do not have the functionality to uncheck the radio buttons and choose only one of them. That we will see in the next tutorial of radio groups. That's it. That's how you can implement a radio button in Java Android. Thanks for watching.